Hello.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. How are you, bro?
Fine, fine.
Salam.
Oh, you are audible, right?
Yes,
Thank you
audible,
for
audible.
joining, everyone. Okay, so now we are starting discuss about the CCNA and CCNP topic. Okay, CCNA is the Cisco Certified Network Associate, and CCNP is the Cisco Certified Network Professional. So why we are required the CCNA certificate? Do you have any idea about the CCNA certificate? Why required it? If you want to work in the network environment, then everyone required the CCNA and CCNP certificate. Without Cisco certified, we cannot survive in the network as a network engineer. If you want to work as a network engineer on the network domain, then require the certificate. Because right now too much competition in the market, network industry, lot of engineer nowadays becoming, so also everyone require, but that is better for everyone, because if you get the CCNA certificate and you before you study too much and you get the knowledge lot of without knowledge uh, we cannot achieve the exam, because too much difficult, right, Basit? You also attempt, so your Basit also faced the issue,
Hey,
so
how
I
many
think, yeah, so sorry.
Basit has
Hello.
attempt one
Yeah,
once na?
Basit also got the certificate CCN certificate. He is CCNA satisfied, so he also
Oh,
got the CCNA certificate. Yeah,
okay.
maybe I think the 2 months before he got the certificate. So he also passed.
Yes,
So,
right,
but
right, right.
right, Basit? Yeah. So
Yes,
that is
you are right,
great.
you are right.
Congratulations for Basit. Yeah. So he
Thank you.
learned lot of things. Yeah. So today we will discuss about the Cisco CCNA syllabus. Okay. So CCNA 2301. This is the CCNA code. Okay, and we can uh, study about the
Bro, I will
full
come back after
syllabus.
5 minutes, okay? You continue. I will, please
Okay,
hold on me for 5 minutes. Yes.
no problem. You can mute it. Okay, and then you are free. You can unmute. Okay, no issue. So just you listening me. So Faisal bhai, are you here, right?
Yeah, I am here.
Yeah. So we are first at study about the network fundamental. Okay, we will cover the network topology, network infrastructure, how to network design. We are also cover the OSI model and TCP model, IP, how to travel the IP, how to send the packet. Okay, how many type of IP address. So everything we will study briefly. Don't go to, we will study step to step. Okay, we will
Okay.
start the initiate level and go to the top level, but
Oh,
should be everyone patience here. Without patience we cannot achieve the goal. It will be take maybe too much time, 3 months 4 months, it will be complete all the syllabus. So
okay.
everyone should be have the patience here. Without patience we cannot we cannot enhance the knowledge, and we cannot but should be consistency everyone. Without
Yeah,
consistency, regularity, yeah, regularity. If you have regularity and if you join the every day session, then we can improve the skill, right? without
right.
without continuous, yeah, without continuous we cannot improve the skill. Suppose that one day join, one day study, one day left. So it means the we don't have continue work. Okay, so
Okay.
this yeah, So also we are study here switching, routing, access point. Okay. So we will
Okay.
study briefly the distributor switch, core switch, access switch, okay, and how to connectivity the switch, okay, and type of switch and layer of switch, okay, and core
Okay.
switch, access switch, distributor switch also cover. Also we will discuss here about the access point. It means the access point is the wireless system, okay, wireless network. So wireless
Okay.
network where we are using the access point, okay, and also a study about the wireless controller, WLC controller, okay, and also we will cover the subnetting here, okay, and IP version 4, IP version 6 addressing, both are covered. And also we will study about the uh, fiber cable, copper cable, crossover cable. So everything connectivity. So if you every network engineer understanding about the connectivity, right? Without connectivity we cannot troubleshoot in the network. How can identify which device is issue? So understanding the connectivity, okay. And we also study the TCP and UDP. Okay, why we are using the TCP, UDP? TCP is the transmission control protocol, UDP is the user datagram protocol. Also we are study about the FTP, file transfer protocol, SSH, okay, secure shell host, and also study about DNS, domain name server. So this is the fundamental topic, and next this slide complete. After that we will go to network access. Okay, and network access we are cover about in this topic. uh, how
Ethernet.
to travel the how to transfer the data. So if you transfer the data, how what is the going internally on the switch. So we will study about the ethernet channel switching, okay, switch configuration, MAC address traveling, MAC address learning, okay, source to destination, how to travel the data. So we can also study about the source and destination both, and also study about the here broadcasting, how to broadcast the data. Suppose that if you send the data that time, broadcast on the switch, send the multiple computer on the same time data. So also we will see that there what is the isolate the broadcast and unicast, both are the cover there, okay. And also
Okay.
we will configure, also we will learn about the VLAN, how to configure VLAN, how to create the VLAN ID, okay, interface, how to add, and how to make the trunk port, access port, okay. So both are covered
Okay.
here. And also a study about the STP, a spanning tree protocol. So a spanning tree protocol, every Cisco device is the default protocol, and RSTP, both protocol we will learn, okay, and we will study but one to one, okay. And also a
Okay.
study about the Ethernet channel, how to configuration the Ethernet channel, LACP, link aggregation port, multiple. Suppose that if you have the network environment, multiple multiple switch. It means the suppose that if you have the one switch, okay, and two switch, okay, and both switch is connected to the both two uplink port. So we can create the both physical port into convert in the logical port. So we can create their logical Ethernet channel,
Okay.
physical channel to created in the convert into the logical channel. So we are
Okay.
using the where we will perform, and we also configure the LACP, link aggregation control protocol, on the switch, and we will see that there, okay.
Okay.
So this area, is cover in the network access, okay. Then we will start the network access topic, that time we will see that. So after this topic we will started the IP connectivity. Okay, IP connectivity. IP connectivity. We will study about the IP connectivity. IP connectivity. We will cover the routing concept. Okay, statics routing. There are two types of routing. Okay, one is the statics, one is the dynamic. Okay, so we are cover about the both. Okay, which command we will apply on the router. Okay, and we are also configure the OSPF, open source path, and single area, multi area, both we will configure. Okay, and we will see that. Also we will configure here the IP version 4, IP version 6 again, and also configure the first Hop Redundancy Protocol basics. So we will see all the thing. After this connectivity completed, go to the IP service slide. IP service slide, we will study about the DHCP. DHCP means Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Suppose that our network, suppose that I am in the new employee. Okay, I go to in any company. Okay, this is the my first day. That time, suppose that only give the our company owner, company, our management team, new laptop. So, and he also said me that there is a LAN port and you connect to the laptop. So I connected to the laptop there. And how can I get the how to connect the internet from the company network? So just you plug and play, because your network team already configure the DHCP on the switch, and you are able to get the IP address, okay, on your laptop automatically. So no need to configure the statics IP address automatically. Only you plug and play, and then you will get the IP address. So we will also see
bro,
the
1 second.
Yeah.
1 second.
Yeah.
Can I interfere? So if there are two chances. No, you can connect to Wi-Fi. Yeah, you can connect this, what we say, the LAN.
We can connect.
Right?
There are two methods to connect in the network. Okay, one is the LAN and one is the wireless. If you connect to the wired, that time you can connect two methods. One is the statics, one is the dynamic. If you connect to the statics, should be assigned the IP address in your laptop. Without IP address assigned, you cannot connectivity to the your company network to your laptop network. Right?
Right.
Bro, so what if I'm just typing the username, Wi-Fi password, I can connect. So before that, you're telling that before typing the password, I should assign an IP to my PC. That you mean? Hello? 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 Am I audible?
San was
वो तलवार कौन कर रहा है क्यों?
किस लिए?
I don't know why you calling me. Hello?
इसको आपको
मुझे. Hello? Yes, I am audible.
Hello? Yes, yes, yes.
रोटी
Yes, 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 yes.
रोटी
I don't know. अरे bro, actually, yeah.
तो बता दो पहले.
Sorry, dear.
रोटी का पूछ रहा था.
Okay. So give me 1 second.
तो भाई
Hello?
4 लीटर वाली ले आओ।
Yes, bro. Hello, are you here?
हाँ पूरे खाते हो एक कर
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so we can continue. Okay.
ओके
Yeah. So
Okay, bro.
we will cover here. Actually, yeah, I got the call from our friend. Our roommate called me. So yeah,
Okay,
that's
bro.
why
One
I.
second. I was asking a
So
doubt.
we will.
So let me continue.
Okay, no problem. You can ask me.
Okay, bro. Bro, there are two chances to connect internet, right? Through Wi-Fi and through LAN.
Right.
So if your company, you
Okay.
told
Yes.
that when you joined the company manager told you to connect the internet through LAN. So which means that the switch is configured with DHCP. Okay. So
Correct.
if
Correct.
by the
Correct.
the same way, I can also connect through Wi-Fi also. No, if the switch is configured with DHCP, that doesn't matter. But I can connect through Wi-Fi also. No, without LAN also, I can
Yeah,
connect
right,
through.
right. Yeah. We
Yes,
can
yes, yes.
connect. Yeah. We can connect through the Wi-Fi. If suppose that if you he gave, but if you not there the Wi-Fi, only if you have the local LAN. Okay,
Mm, mm.
Wi-Fi is not there. So how to connect?
Okay, Wi-Fi. If it's not there, we can connect through LAN. But Wi-Fi is there, we can connect to Wi-Fi directly. No.
Yeah.
Uh,
But if you have
if
Wi-Fi,
the
then
switch is
if you have Wi-Fi, then you are able to connect through the Wi-Fi.
okay,
If you
okay,
not
fine.
Wi-Fi, how to connect without LAN?
Yes, through
Right.
LAN, through
So
LAN.
there
Yes.
is both option. A lot of company both option, but some company if you have the small company, there is a not Wi-Fi. There is only line. So how to connect?
Okay, okay,
So
through LAN
should we
cable.
connect through the LAN, right? Yeah.
Yes.
But
So,
if you
bro,
have the
I have
Wi-Fi and LAN both, then you depend your thing which is the better for you. You should be connect with the both method
LAN is
through the
possible
Wi-Fi
because
and through the
it provides
LAN.
very speed.
But LAN is also I recommended you. LAN is the best for everyone.
Yes,
Without
yes.
because if you
Speed, network
connect through
speed
the
and
LAN,
efficiency.
then yeah, you will get the good performance in the network, right? Because if you connect through the Wi-Fi, sometime your data will be lost. Okay, sometime
Yeah,
you will get
maybe
the full
many
speed, so
fluctuations
sometime you
will
will
happen.
get the slow
Yeah.
speed. So that will be it will take the problem.
Yes. Also, bro, can
Okay.
I have same doubt that if yeah was about to ask you something. Yes, bro.
Okay, ask
If
me,
I'm
no
connecting
problem.
if I'm
Always you
connecting
can ask.
Wi-Fi, okay. If I'm connecting Wi-Fi,
Okay.
so
Okay.
I can directly enter the password. I mean the Wi-Fi password, and I can enter, right? So,
Right. No
yes.
need to
So
only you
bro.
can choose the supported same like that. Just
Mm,
you suppose that you get. Right now this is the connected my phone, right? Suppose that
yes.
there is a lot of SSID. So you just click the any SSID and you put the username password and you can able to connect. No need to go
Okay,
anywhere.
bro.
But
I'm asking that.
already your network engineer they are already created the SSID and already created the username and password everything. So they will
Okay.
provide also
Okay,
your
bro.
network team, your
So
company network
if
team.
the if my device, if I'm connecting through my laptop, I have and also the Wi-Fi. I mean the Wi-Fi device, which means maybe modem or router. It may configured with an IP. It have an IP, right? Also, our phone, our device also have an IP. So if I am directly entering the username and password through the company's SSID and I'm getting the network. If
Yeah.
our my IP and that office router's IP are different, I can enter or what is the possibility there to enter?
Can you explain again?
If my device IP is different, also the company's IP is different, I can enter
Okay.
the username and password through the company SSID and can I enter into that? Can I connect to that network or not? What do you think?
No, you want to connect through the wireless, yeah, wired.
Wireless.
wireless connect. If you want to connect through the wireless, then you should be a new SSID and new password supported supported before you are connected your laptop through the phone. Okay, so this is the
Okay.
also different network and different user ID and password. So you should be put the supported. This is the supported right now connected the my phone SSID. Okay, so there is
Okay.
a new supported. This is the your company SSID. So just you click here. Right now I click here, then our disconnected. So that's why I not connect. Our network is lost. So
Okay.
just you click here and put the password. Then you are able to connect from your network, your company
Okay. So
network.
is there any need for IP address for our
No,
device
no,
and
no
that?
need, bro, no need. But if you want to connect through the wired, LAN through the LAN cable, then you should be. If you don't have configured the DHCP on your switch, then you can apply the IP address. Just you go to this command nscp.cpl and go to here and just I show you. You know how to assign the IP address in the laptop.
Yes, I know
And
that.
just you go to this. Yeah,
Ethernet.
just you go here Ethernet channel and you can assign IP version 4. You select this IP version 4 and you can right now our is the dynamic automatically
Yes,
assign the
yes,
IP
yes.
address. So
Yes,
just
yes,
you
yes.
click here and you can assign the IP address and subnet mask and gateway and then click the OK.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, bro. So, bro, I am asking
You
that
understand,
if
right?
I can connect to
Yeah, ask, no
Wi-Fi.
problem.
I can connect to Wi-Fi without the same IP address or not. That's right. That we can connect, isn't it?
You
Hello.
can ask me again.
Yes,
Bro,
Yeah,
bro.
yeah, you can ask
Bro.
again.
Prince told me that there won't be any communication if the IP address are not same.
Suppose
different
that
IPs.
you are asking me. I understand your means. You are asking me. Your great question. Okay, here you are asking me. Suppose that
I, mm,
you have in your network environment have a different subnet, right? So how to
okay.
connectivity, right? Suppose that a one IP address have the 192.168.10.15 and
Mm.
another IP have subnet the 192.168.
Bro,
20.30.
what
So
does
both are the
this
different subnet, right?
communication means? If Prince told me
Sorry.
that two IPs are same, then only there will be communication. If there is two different IPs, then there won't be communication. So I'm asking that this communication can also be like connection also now. If I'm connecting to Wi-Fi network,
Right,
then
right,
my
right, right,
device
right,
and the
right.
Wi-Fi device also should be in same IP. Then only we can connect.
Right.
Likewise,
But if you have the different IP, then if you have the different IP, then should be the routing. Without routing, we cannot communicate with different IP. It means
Hmm.
different subnet.
सेम सीरीज होनी चाहिए ना.
Yeah. So already your network team, your network engineer configure the switch and they are performed the routing on the router. So that's why we are communicating to the different subnet. Without perform the subnetting, we are not able to communicate to the different subnet, right?
This subnet, you
So
mean
if you
what?
want to communicate to
Subnet
multiple
means
subnet,
this
that time we
IP.
will perform. Yeah, subnet means IP, subnetting IP
Okay,
address.
okay.
Yeah, first 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes maximum. So also we will cover here the DHCP and network address translation. Okay, statics and dynamic and PANT, and also a study about the NTP, SNMP, and also this is the classic we will study. And after IP service complete, then we will go to next slide, security and fundamental. And security fundamental, we are a study about the SSH, how to configure the SSH, SSH used for the remotely. If you want to access the remotely switch, router, firewall, any device, that time should be configure the SSH. Yeah, SSH, yeah, telnet. Without SSH telnet, we cannot take the access remotely.
Remote. Okay.
So every device should be configure the SSH, yeah, SSH, yeah, telnet. SSH is the good for every device because if you configure the SSH, is the secure data will be communicate and data will be transfer through the secure method. But if you configure the telnet also you are able to access the remotely any device through the telnet. But telnet is not secure compared to the SSH. And we
Okay.
also study about the ACL access control list. So there are two types. One is the extend and one is the extended. So also we will cover access list. How to create the access list on the router and yeah, firewall. And port security also study. And also study the layer 2 security DHCP. We also study about the VPN, virtual private network concept. Okay.
Okay.
And then this security fundamental complete, we will go to automation. Next slide, automation. So we will also study here the automation and programmability. So a study we will cover the controller based the networking, supported DNS. Okay. And we also study about the API here configuration. We will, it means the all here cover the automation and programmability, how to program it. Okay. Okay, bro. And this automation is complete. Then we will study about the wireless. Wireless, we will cover the full fundamental. So how to configure the WLC, okay, how to create the SSID, how to make the SSID, how to configure the Wi-Fi, okay, and also configure the controller, WLC controller, how to connectivity the WLC, how to architecture of the topology of WLC and wireless network, how to work. So everything here we will cover. So do you have any doubt here? Are you have?
No. So deeply we will study later, na?
Yeah. We will study about every topic later, one to one. Right now, just I give you given you overview. So understanding our syllabus, we will cover about that. But we will study the briefly one to one. First, we will start the network fundamental. After network fundamental, we will complete the next topic. Then we will go through the step by step.
Okay.
Yeah. Hello, Basit, you are asking me something?
No. I can hear. I'm watching.
Okay. So do you have any doubt related our syllabus of CCNA? And maybe
No,
I
bro.
think we will add
Okay.
something in this session. So we will start by tomorrow or day tomorrow. I also make it the CCNP syllabus. So just I give you, this is our CCNP syllabus. Okay, this is the full topic of our CCNP enterprises. CCNP is the divided in the two category. One is the in-core and one is the NRC. Okay, in-core is the 350 to 401 and NRC is the 300 to 401, 410. So we also cover here the we after CCNA complete, we will discuss about, we will study about the CCNP. So we will cover the both topic. We will study about the N-core first and enterprise network designing, how to design the network, SD-WAN architecture and cloud hybrid architecture, one premium cloud service. So everything we will cover in the CCNP. After this slide complete, we will study the next slide. In-core virtualization we will study about the VMware, okay, and also about virtualization environment and Cisco DNS center. This is the Cisco DNS center. DNS center is the software center, okay, and also study about the virtual routing, BRF, okay, and XVLAN. So everything we will cover there. After
Okay.
this slide completed, we will study about the next slide. So next slide we will study about here. Next again we will configure the VLAN, trunking, Ethernet channel, STP, RTP, and SNMP, OSPF, PAgP, BGP. Every this is the all is the protocol. So all protocol work have different. So everything we will cover there. Okay. After this slide completed, we will study the next slide. Okay. Here we will study about the network. Okay, here we will configure the DNS center troubleshooting, how to troubleshooting in the network environment, and SNMP. So everything we will configure net flow, how to make the net flow, okay, in the network environment. So we also study about the security, ACL, access control list, port security, VPN, IPsec VPN. There are two types of VPN. One is the IPsec, one is the SSS VPN. Device troubleshooting and device techniques. So after what is the purpose of security? Why we are using the security in the network environment? So without security, we cannot secure the network, right? So security protocol also used on the network environment. This is the very big part. Security, network security, cyber security, and network security both are different, but almost are the same. Okay, topic almost same.
Okay.
So after security, this topic is complete. We will study this automation and programmability again. Here we will cover the something. Yeah.
Bro, I have one
This is
suggestion that
completed after. Yeah. Ask.
yes, that you can divide the topics. I mean, you can give
Yeah. I
each topic
divided.
for everyone, and we will study and we will discuss. Which means that we three can study. Then, if only one will explain, so in between that, if the person who is explaining gets wrong, the other two can correct it and go in the right way. No, so what about that?
Yeah. This is good, right? So we will go to same way. That is better. Hello.
Yes, bro. Yes, bro.
Hello. Yeah. So after this completed, we will go here. We will study about the layer 3 technology, advanced OSPF, PAgP, BAP, and routing map, filtering, reflection. This one completed, then we will study about the next slide. And VPN technology, MPLS, VPN, okay, IPsec, remote access VPN. So everything we will cover. This we will complete. Then we will study about the again security and service, routing switch and hardware, classification of making policy. So SNMP and IPsec. Okay, can we start?
Can you start here then? You
Bus.
can start.
आ रहे हैं 2 मिनट. Give me. Hello. Hello.
Yes, bro.
Hello.
Yeah. After this complete, we will study the troubleshooting. Okay. This one VPN troubleshooting OSPF, PAgP, BGP, VPN connectivity, and troubleshooting device performance issue. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Hello. Yeah. So we will cover everything. Okay, bro.
Tomorrow we'll study CCNA.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
bro.
Yeah. What are you asking me? Okay,
कल
so
से
we
हम
can close this session here. Okay, and tomorrow we will start again.
Okay, bro.
Okay, thank you.